Because it has 42% power. That's
Which does the actual drone?
yeah.
So now it's on hover at 1 meter. What is it? Right. Yeah. See, it just landed where it took off from.
Well, I hit home. Okay, so that's what it did. I
Yeah,
get
that's
it now.
that. Right. So if you try flying it out and then just hitting home, like in other words, fly it over into the
You really
yard.
trust me again?
Yeah. Well, I trust you because it's yours.
I don't trust myself because it's mine. Nah, it doesn't really go home.
No. Where's home?
Home should have been back here.
Oh. It's steadying itself in the wind.
I know.
That's really good.
I'm not really sure how fast it goes backwards and forwards. I thought I'd at least read the instructions.
Well, but that's the toggle. I mean, is it a matter of...
That should be left and
just-
right.
just-
I think this is speed. I'm not really sure.
Yeah. Wow, that's us there. I wouldn't let him out right at the moment, no.
Did I come out?
Yeah.
Oh. You do that and it moves it.
Yeah, that's what I figured it did.
You're better than me. That's what I'm saying. I trust you better than I trust me. I trust you better than I trust me to do these things. My hand-eye coordination and everything.
I'll try it.
Sure.
Yeah. So